In this lesson, we will see together some French cultural elements, but more precisely, we will talk about the cases which cheek goes first. So it is a bit funny, but it's quite interesting. So which cheek goes first when you greet somebody and you do la bise? So the question, is it the right cheek or is it the left cheek? So it's in fact quite simple in a way. Look at the map of France and here it is. So you can see that here, so the yellow part and this part here, in that case you will start with the right cheek when you do la bise. And for the rest, it will be the left cheek. So of course, it is quite funny. Don't worry about that. Don't be stressed about that if you're not really sure, because in fact, people can come from different regions and live somewhere else. So it's not a problem. Just let it go naturally. Let the person start, and then you will see with the body language if these persons want to start with the right cheek or the left cheek. So it's not a problem, but technically this is the way it goes. So if the person is leaving or coming from this yellow area, then they will start with the right cheek, and the others, they will start with the left cheek.